Okay, hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at the video that was posted for homework tonight, and I just wanted to go over one of the problems with you. Let's take a look at number 6 on the worksheet, um, which looks like, let's see, we're asked to simplify. Let me see if I can get this down. We're asked to simplify, thank you, still learning how to work with this thing, negative 2x plus 11 plus 6x. Now, our like terms are negative 2x and positive 6x. Notice I'm also highlighting the sign in front of the term. So what I have is I have 6x's, and then I have negative 2x's. I'm subtracting it. So if you were to add negative 2 plus 6, you know that we would end up with 4. So what I have is negative 2x's plus 6x, and we're going to end up with 4x. And then 11 is the only term that looks like that. So this is going to simplify down to here. What you've been asked to do on the homework is you've been asked to take and define your variable as being equal to 2. So if we do that, let's look at both of these to make sure that we didn't change what the function machine does. So we have negative 2 times 2 plus 11 plus 6 times 2. And over here, we have 4 times 2 plus 11. So let's just go through and do our multiplication left to right. I have negative 4 plus 11 plus 12, and I have 8 plus 11. Negative 4 plus 11 is going to give me 7 plus 12, and that's going to give me 19. 18 plus 11 also gives me 19. So it looks like both of these expressions produce the same output when our input is defined as x equals 2. This is what we're going to do for the problems that you're working on for homework. You can also take a look at Desmos, and if you want, we can slide this over a little bit, and we can, in one spot, put our original statement, negative 2x plus 11 plus 6x, and we can write our simplified statement, which was 4x plus 11. And for each of these, we can see that the line ends up being in the same place on the graph. If I turn one off and on, you can see the lines turn out to produce exactly the same output for every x input. And if I want to see that in table form, I could produce tables, and I could see that our input-output is exactly the same. Negative 2 produces 3, negative 2 for x produces 3. We see our 2 produces 19, and the machine, if we put in 2, produces 19. So we haven't changed the meaning of these two expressions. We've simply simplified them and make them a little easier on the eye and probably easier to work with. So if you have any questions, come on in at resource or email me tonight. Thanks.